Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all. Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute Pakistan, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you all. Welcome to the world's first academy, a groundbreaking leap in the future of education. In this revolutionary platform, AI instructors will guide your learning journey instead of traditional instructors, and Avectures will replace conventional lectures. Are you ready to embrace the future of teaching, learning, and community building? Let's embark on this transformative experience. Together, our Institute's mission is to offer free and high-quality education for everyone only for the sake of Allah alone. To achieve this noble objective, we have launched a free online course titled Generative AI for Everyone, Mastering Prompt Engineering with ChatGPT 4, a beginner's guide. This is the fifth Avecture in this course titled Prompt Engineering for Question Answering QA Systems. I am your instructor, Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Nawab. Learn to smile and appreciate. Learn to smile and appreciate. One of the fundamental goals of our courses is to nurture a culture of smiling and appreciation in our academia, industry, and society. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said to the nearest meaning, smiling on face of your brother is an act of charity. Hence, you are humbly requested to keep smiling and keep spreading appreciation because a little kindness goes a long way. Avecture Outline. Avecture Outline. Here's what we'll explore in today's Avecture. Quick recap. A brief overview of the key points discussed in the previous Avecture. Question answering QA with unstructured text data. Discover how to extract answers from raw, free-form text using powerful AI techniques. Question answering QA with semi-structured data. Learn to handle data like JSON, HTML, and tables where structure exists, but not fully. Question answering QA with structured data. Dive into clearly organized formats like spreadsheets and databases for precise question answering. Question answering QA with unstructured image data. Explore how AI interprets and answers questions based on visual information. Let's get started on this exciting journey across data types and question answering. Quick recap. Quick recap. Let's take a moment to refresh what we covered in the previous Avecture. Text generation using generative AI. We explored how advanced models can generate human-like text based on prompts, transforming the way we write, create, and communicate. Techniques for text generation. We explored zero-shot and few-shot approaches to unpack the core methods that shape the quality and creativity of AI-generated content. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's move ahead with today's exciting concepts. Let's move to the second part of this Avecture. Question answering QA with unstructured text data. Question answering QA using generative AI. In today's data-driven world, users want instant, intelligent responses. This is where question answering with generative AI steps in. But what exactly does it mean? Let's break it down. Question answering using generative AI refers to the smart application of AI models that can analyze and understand content, whether it's in the form of text, images, or other media, and generate precise, relevant answers to user queries. It goes beyond traditional search. It interprets, thinks, and then responds just like a human expert would. Question answering QA using generative AI, 10 popular use cases. What are the 10 most popular use cases for question answering QA using generative AI? Here are 10 powerful use cases where question answering QA with generative AI is driving innovation. Number 1. Customer support chatbots. Instantly resolve customer queries with smart, conversational AI. Number 2. Education and e-learning. Deliver on-demand tutoring and intelligent question and answer for students. Number 3. Medical assistance. Provide symptom checks, medical info, and health guidance. Number 4. Legal research. Simplify legal queries and case analysis with accurate summaries. Number 5. E-commerce assistance. Help users find products, compare features, and make decisions. Number 6. Content search and summarization. Turn large documents into quick, digestible answers. Number 7. Personalized financial advisors. Offer smart budgeting, investment advice, and tax insights. Number 8. Travel planning and recommendations. Plan trips, suggest destinations, and answer queries. Number 9. Coding and technical support. Assist developers by generating code and solving errors. Number 10. Knowledge management in enterprises. Empower teams to access company knowledge instantly. These use cases highlight how generative AI is not just answering questions. It's reshaping how we work, learn, and live. Structured versus semi-structured versus unstructured data. What is the main difference between structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data? Understanding data types is key to choosing the right tools and techniques for analysis. So, how do these three types differ, and why does it matter in the world of generative AI? Let's break it down. Number 1. Structured data. This is data that's highly organized and stored in predefined formats, like rows and columns in an Excel sheet or a relational database. Number 2. Semi-structured data. This type has some organization that doesn't follow a rigid schema. Think of HTML or XML files. There's structure, but it's flexible. Number 3. Unstructured data. This is the most complex type. Data with no fixed format or structure. Examples include images, audio files, emails, and social media posts. Each data type poses unique challenges and opportunities for question answering with generative AI. Let's see how. Example: e-commerce assistance. Can you demonstrate how to write zero-shot and few-shot prompts for an e-commerce assistance use case? To demonstrate how zero-shot and few-shot prompting techniques can be effectively used to extract answers from complex, unstructured textual data, I will use a sample dataset titled wirelessheadphones.txt. An effective prompt utilizing the zero-shot approach is as follows. Zero-shot prompt. Instructions. You are a virtual shopping assistant. Answer customer queries about products, availability, and features in a friendly and informative manner. Customer query. Do you have wireless headphones under $100? Now, I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Before running our prompt on ChatGPT 4.0 to extract answers from an unstructured text file, let me provide a brief overview of the text file wireless headphones, TXT, that will be used in this demonstration. The wireless headphones TXT file contains a detailed description of various popular wireless headphone models across a range of price points. Each model is described with its key features, advantages, battery life, noise cancellation capabilities, special technologies, and pricing information. The selection includes premium models such as the Apple AirPods Max and Sony WH-1000XM5, as well as budget-friendly options like the Anker Sound Core Life Q30. I will now execute the prompt to extract the relevant answers from the text file. Step 1. Upload the text file. And the prompt input area, locate the plus icon. Click it and select Add Photo and File. Browse your computer and select Wireless Headphones TXT file. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Step 2. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4o will process the input and generate a response. On June 1st, 2025, I executed this prompt using ChatGPT 4o, which generated the following response. Yes, we have a great wireless headphone option under $100. Anchor Sound Core Life Q30, priced at $79.99. Features include hybrid active noise cancellation with 3 modes, transport, indoor, outdoor. Long battery life of 40 hours with ANC on. Customizable EQ via Soundcore app. Comfortable memory foam ear cups. This model is excellent for casual users or students who want solid sound and noise cancellation without breaking the bank. Would you like me to provide more details or recommend similar options? Insights. As evident from the response, ChatGPT 4o was able to accurately and efficiently extract the answer from complex, unstructured textual data. This demonstrates the powerful capabilities of modern AI models to interpret, understand, and process intricate information, delivering accurate responses to complex queries. Can you please write an effective prompt for the e-commerce assistant using few-shot approach? Here's a few-shot prompt using the wireless headphones, TXT data file. Few-shot prompt. Instructions. You are a virtual shopping assistant. Use the examples provided to format your responses to customer queries. Examples. Number 1. Customer query. Can I get this smartphone in blue color? Answer. Yes, the smartphone is available in blue. You can select the color option on the product page before adding it to your cart. Number 2. Customer query. What are the specs of this laptop? Answer. This laptop features a 15.6-inch display, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, and an Intel Core i5 processor. It also comes with Windows 11 pre-installed. Input. Do you have wireless headphones under $100? Now, I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4o model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4o model. Before running our prompt on ChatGPT 4o to extract answers from an unstructured text file, let me provide a brief overview of the text file wireless headphones, TXT, that will be used in this demonstration. The wireless headphones TXT file contains a detailed description of various popular wireless headphone models across a range of price points. Each model is described with its key features, advantages, battery life, noise cancellation capabilities, special technologies, and pricing information. The selection includes premium models such as the Apple AirPods Max and Sony WH-1000XM5, as well as budget-friendly options like the Anchor Sound Core Life Q30. I will now execute the prompt to extract the relevant answers from the text file. Step 1. Upload the text file. In the prompt input area, locate the plus icon. Click it and select Add Photo and File. Browse your computer and select Wireless Headphones TXT file. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Step 2. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4o will process the input and generate a response. On June 3rd, 2025, I executed this prompt using ChatGPT 4o, which generated the following response. Yes, we do. The Anchor Sound Core Life Q30 is a great wireless headphone option under $100. Priced at $79.99, it offers hybrid active noise cancellation, 40-hour battery life, and custom EQ settings via the Soundcore app, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users. Let me know if you'd like help comparing other models or placing an order. Insight. This shows how few-shot prompts provide structure and context, resulting in responses that are both reliable and customer-friendly. Analysis. Zero-shot versus few-shot. Let's take a closer look at how generative AI performs across different prompting strategies. Zero-shot versus few-shot. Both approaches successfully return the same wireless headphone from the provided data file. But there's a key takeaway. The representation of information was different. Lesson learned. Generative AI models are highly adaptable. With or without examples, they can adjust their tone, structure, and detail level. They can also accurately extract exact answers from unstructured data, like plain text files, delivering precise and helpful responses. This proves the strength of prompt engineering. How you ask makes a big difference in how AI answers. Let's now discuss the to-do and your turn tasks to reinforce the key concepts covered in this part of the Avecture. To-do tasks. Task 1. Now it's your turn to put learning into practice. Task. Write down zero-shot and few-shot prompts for the following real-world use cases we explored in this Avecture. Number 1. Education and e-learning. Think like a virtual tutor helping students understand complex concepts or solve problems. Number 2. Medical assistance. Imagine you're an AI health assistant provider helpful responses to medical queries. Apply the techniques discussed today to craft effective, structured prompts. Let's see how well your prompts guide the AI to generate smart, accurate answers. Your turn tasks. Task 1. Time to take the lead. Task. Select at least 2 tasks similar to the ones shared in the to-do task 1, such as education, healthcare, finance, travel, or customer support. Then, write both zero-shot and few-shot prompts for your chosen tasks. Focus on clarity, tone, and how well your prompts guide the AI to generate meaningful, accurate responses. Let your creativity and learning shine through. This is where great prompt engineers are made. Let's proceed to the third part of the Avecture, question answering, QA, with semi-structured data. Tips. Chat with a data file. Use case. Chat with a CV. As a beginner, you might not be sure what types of questions to ask when analyzing a CV to extract useful information about a candidate. This can make it challenging to evaluate the candidate effectively for various tasks. In such situations, you can leverage AI models to generate a list of relevant and insightful questions. Here's a well-crafted prompt you can use to ask an AI model to help you compile a list of useful questions for analyzing a CV. Prompt: as an information extraction expert, please tell me all possible questions that I can ask from the data stored in a CV PDF format. Generalized prompt: as an information extraction expert, please tell me all possible questions that I can ask from the data stored in a type of document format. Please provide information from authentic and top sources. Please see also provide the references list at the end. Now, I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4o model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4o model. Step 4. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4o will process the input and generate a response. On June 3rd, 2025, I executed this prompt using the ChatGPT 4o model, which generated a comprehensive response. The output included a total of 58 questions, organized into the following 13 categories. Number 1. Personal information. 9 questions. Number 2. Career objective or summary. 3 questions. Number 3. Education. 6 questions. Number 4. Work experience. 6 questions. Number 5. Technical and soft skills. 4 questions. Number 6. Certifications and trainings. 4 questions. Number 7. Projects. 4 questions. Number 8. Research and publications. 4 questions. Number 9. Awards and recognitions. 3 questions. Number 10. Extracurricular activities. 2 questions. Number 11. Volunteer work. 3 questions. Number 12. References. 2 questions. Number 13. Meta and analytical questions. 5 questions. As demonstrated, the AI model has efficiently generated a detailed and comprehensive list of insightful questions that can be asked from a CV document. I can now shortlist relevant questions from this pool to effectively carry out my intended task. Example: chat with Dr. Adil's CV academic. File name: CV. Dr. Ra Muhammad Adil Nawab.pdf. To demonstrate how we can extract answers to complex questions from a semi-structured document such as a CV, I will use Dr. Adil's CV as the example data file. I have crafted a detailed prompt designed to extract various types of complex information from Dr. Adil's CV. The prompt is as follows. Prompt: as a question-answering expert, please answer the following questions from the CV. Personal information. Number 1. What is the candidate's contact number? Number 2. What is the candidate's email address? Number 3. Is the candidate open to relocation? Professional summary. Number 4. What is the candidate's professional summary or objective? Number 5. What are the candidate's key strengths highlighted in the CV? Education. Number 6. What was the candidate's major or area of specialization? Number 7. Did the candidate achieve any honors or distinctions in academics? Work experience. Number 8. What are the start and end dates for each job position? Number 9. What industries has the candidate worked in? Skills. Number 10. What is the candidate's level of expertise in each skill, e.g., beginner, intermediate, expert? Number 11. Does the candidate mention any foreign language skills? Certifications and trainings. Number 12. What certifications has the candidate earned? Projects. Number 13. What major projects has the candidate worked on? Publications and research. Number 14. What are the titles of the publications? Awards and recognitions. Number 15. What awards or recognitions has the candidate received? Volunteer work and extracurricular activities. Number 16. What roles did the candidate hold in volunteer work? References. Number 17. Who are the candidate's references, names, and designations? Additional information. Number 18. Is the candidate open to freelance or contract work? Number 19. Does the candidate mention hobbies or personal interests? Metadata-based questions. Number 20. What is the format of the CV, e.g., PDF, Word? Number 21. Does the CV contain any links, e.g., LinkedIn, GitHub? Number 22. How many pages is the CV? Number 23. Does the CV include a professional headshot? Number 24. Is the CV tailored for a specific job or industry? Comparison and analysis. Number 25. What is the candidate's total years of experience? Number 26. Are the candidate's skills relevant to the position of full professor? Now, I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Before running our prompt on ChatGPT 4.0 to extract answers from a semi-structured file, let me provide a brief overview of the data file CV, Dr. Ram Muhammad Adil Nawab PDF, that will be used in this demonstration. This file, CV, Dr. Ram Muhammad Adil Nawab PDF, is the detailed curriculum vitae, CV, of Dr. Ram Muhammad Adil Nawab at Department of Computer Science, ComSats University, Islamabad. Lahore campus, specializing in computer science with a PhD from the University of Sheffield, UK. It outlines his educational background. Research interests in generative AI, NLP, machine learning, and data science, along with his extensive publication record comprising journal and conference papers focused on text reuse, plagiarism detection, and Urdu language processing. The CV also lists his supervision of numerous PhD and MPhil students, professional experience, awards, academic activities, invited talks, and references. It highlights his leadership in NLP research and contributions to cross-lingual and semantic text analysis, reflecting his significant academic and research accomplishments in computational linguistics and AI. I will now execute the prompt to extract the relevant answers from the CV. Step 1. Upload the CV. In the prompt input area, locate the plus icon. Click it and select Add Photo and File. Browse your computer and select CV, Dr. Ram Muhammad Adil Nawab .pdf file. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Step 2. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4.0 will process the input and generate a response. I ran this prompt on May 31st, 2025, using the ChatGPT 4.0 model, and it generated the following response. Based on the provided CV, here are the answers to the questions categorized by section. Personal information. Number 1. Contact number, not explicitly mentioned. CV. Number 2. Email address, noabadil@gmail.com, adilnawab@quillahore.edu.pk. Number 3. Open to relocation, not explicitly stated. Professional summary. Number 4. Dr. Nawab is a lecturer at ComSats University, Lahore, leads the NLP research group, holds a PhD from the University of Sheffield, and supervises PhD/MS students working on generative AI and NLP. Number 5. Key strengths: generative AI, natural language processing, machine learning, data science. Education. 6. Major/specialization, PhD in computer science, University of Sheffield, UK. MS in computer science, UT Lahore. BS in computer science, BSU Multan. Number 7. Honors/distinctions, gold medal in BS, CS. 3 PhD scholarships for Germany and England. Work experience. Number 8. Start and end dates: March 2006 to September 2012, lecturer. October 2012 to March 2023, assistant professor. March 2023, present, lecturer. Mentioned again, may need clarification. 9. Industries, academia, research, AI, NLP, education technology. Skills. Number 10. Skill levels. Levels are not explicitly defined, but implied as expert in generative AI, NLP, machine learning, data science. Number 11. Foreign languages, not mentioned. Certifications and trainings. Number 12. Certifications, free online course. Make your place in top 3% prompt engineers of the world, starting January 2025. Projects. Number 13. Major projects. Texam selected in Plan 9 competition. Top 1% of 1,800 supervisory projects in text summarization, question answering, plagiarism detection. Publications and research. Number 14. Titles of publications includes 33 journal papers, e.g., abstractive text summarization for the Urdu language and 21 conference/workshop papers, e.g., bots and gender prediction using stylometry. Awards and recognitions. Number 15. Awards, gold medal in BScs. Selection in Plan 9. Multiple PhD scholarships. Volunteer work and extracurricular activities. Number 16. Volunteer roles, career counseling seminars, teachers training workshops, webinars on digital well-being. References. Number 17. References. Dr. Mark Stevenson, University of Sheffield. Dr. Paul Rayson, Lancaster University. Additional information. Number 18. Open to freelance/contract work, not stated. Number 19. Hobbies/interests, not specified. Metadata-based questions. Number 20. CV format, PDF. Number 21. Links in CV, yes, includes publication DOIs and reference URLs, e.g., LinkedIn/university profiles. Number 22. Number of pages, 10. Number 23. Professional headshot, not included. Number 24. Tailored for specific job/industry. Yes, tailored for academia and research in NLP/AI. Comparison and analysis. Number 25. Total years of experience /19 years, March 2006. Present. Number 26. Suitability for full professor role. Yes, based on PhD and postdoctoral experience. 30 plus peer-reviewed publications. Supervision of multiple PhDs and MPhils. Recognitions and awards. Let me know if you'd like this in a tabular format or exportable to CSV/Word. Key takeaway. This example proves how generative AI can extract deep, structured insights from a detailed academic CV, efficiently, accurately, and contextually. Analysis. Chat with a CV. ChatGPT 4.0 successfully answered all questions with precision and clarity. This demonstrates its remarkable ability to extract accurate and relevant information from complex textual data, such as academic CVs. Whether it's personal details, professional highlights, or metadata, ChatGPT 4.0 proves to be a powerful tool for automated document analysis, saving time and enhancing decision-making with confidence. Let's now discuss the to-do and your turn tasks to reinforce the key concepts covered in this part of the Avecture. To-do tasks. Task 1. Now it's your turn to explore. Task. Upload your own CV and use a generative AI model to ask insightful questions. But here's the twist. Ask questions not covered in this Avecture. Think beyond the basics. Explore gaps, trends, unique strengths, or even job-specific readiness. His exercise will help you understand how well your CV communicates your story and how effectively AI can analyze it. Ready to discover what your CV says about you? Let's get started. Your turn tasks. Task 1. Time to apply what you've learned. Task. Select a semi-structured document. It could be a resume in PDF, an HTML product page, or a research article in PDF. Then, Chat with the document using a generative AI model. Ask meaningful questions, extract insights, and evaluate the responses. This hands-on task will help you experience how AI navigates data that's partially organized but not rigidly structured. Let's see how smart your prompts can get. Dive in and explore. Let's now discuss the fourth part of this Avecture, titled Question Answering QA with Structured Data. Tips. Chat with the dataset. Use case. Python course result. Fall 2024. To compile a list of useful and insightful questions that can be asked from a CSV file containing Python course results for the fall 2024 semester, I used the following prompt. Prompt: I have Python course results stored in a CSV file. The CSV file comprises of the following 5 attributes: name, student name, gender, male or female, city, native city of student, Python marks, marked obtained in Python course out of 100, CGPA, overall GPA of student. As an information extraction expert, please tell me all possible questions that I can ask from the CSV file. Please also tell me about what graphs can be drawn. Please provide information from authentic and top sources. Please also provide the references list at the end. Tip: you can use similar prompts to leverage AI models for identifying useful questions that can be asked from your structured datasets. Example: chat with the dataset. File name: Python course result fall 2024.csv. To extract answers from a structured dataset titled Python course result fall 2024 CSV, I used the following prompt. Prompt: as a question answering expert, please answer the following questions from the dataset. General student analysis. Number 1. What is the total number of students in the dataset? Number 2. What is the gender distribution among students? Python marks analysis. Number 3. What is the average Python course score of all students? Number 4. How many students achieved a perfect score of 100? See GPA analysis. Number 5. What is the correlation between Python marks and CGPA? Number 6. How many students have a GPA greater than 3.5? Gender-based analysis. Number 7. What is the average Python course score for male and female students? Number 8. Are males or females performing better overall in the Python course? City-based analysis. Number 9. Which city has the highest average Python course score? Number 10. Which city has the lowest average GPA? Combined analysis. Number 11. Is there a correlation between city and Python marks? Number 12. How many students from each city have a CGPA above 3.0? Please draw a graph which shows distribution of students by gender in the dataset. Now I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 4. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4.0 will process the input and generate a response. I ran this prompt on June 1st, 2025, using the ChatGPT 4.0 model, which generated the following response. Here are the answers based on the dataset. General student analysis. Number 1. Total number of students. 20. Number 2. Gender distribution. 10 males and 10 females. Python marks analysis. Number 3. Average Python course score, 80.5. Number 4. Students with perfect score of 100. 0. See GPA analysis. Number 5. Correlation between Python marks and CGPA. 0.977. Very strong positive correlation. Number 6. Number of students with CGPA greater than 3.5. 9. Gender-based analysis. Number 7. Average Python course score for males, 73.0. Females, 88.0. Number 8. Females are performing better overall in the Python course. City-based analysis. Number 9. City with highest average Python course score, Rawalpindi. Number 10. City with lowest average GPA, Quetta. Combined analysis. Number 11. Correlation between city, coded numerically, and Python marks. 0.195, weak positive correlation. Number 12. Number of students from each city with GPA above 3.0. City. Students with CGPA greater than 3.0. Faisalabad. 2. Islamabad. 3. Karachi. 3. Lahore. 2. Multan. 2. Peshawar. 3. Rawalpindi. 2. Now I will plot the gender distribution graph for you. This bar chart shows the distribution of students by gender in the dataset with equal numbers of male and female students, 10 each. Analysis. Chat with the dataset. ChatGPT 4.0 demonstrated its advanced capabilities with structured data. It accurately understood the structure of the CSV file. It summarized all responses clearly in a well-organized table. It drew and labeled the graph correctly, showcasing key insights visually. Key takeaway. This example highlights the power of generative AI in not just reading data, but truly understanding it and delivering precise, reliable, and insightful answers. All from structured datasets. This is intelligent data analysis, reimagined. Let's proceed to the to-do and your turn tasks to reinforce the concepts discussed in this Avecture. To-do tasks. Task 1. Now it's your turn to explore beyond the Avecture. Task. Using the Python course Result Fall 2024 dataset. Ask at least 5 new questions. Go beyond the obvious. Think creatively. What insights haven't been uncovered yet? Draw 2 new graphs to visualize your findings. Consider comparisons, trends, or hidden patterns not discussed earlier. This task will sharpen your ability to design smart prompts, analyze structured data, and communicate insights effectively. Get ready to uncover what others might miss. The data has more to tell. Your turn tasks. Task 1. Time to take the lead. Task. Select a structured dataset, similar to the Python course result example we explored in this Avecture. Then, use a generative AI model to ask meaningful questions that help uncover useful insights and hidden patterns within the data. Let's move to the 5th and final part of the Avecture, question answering, QA, with unstructured image data. Tips. Chat with an image. Use case, image, Avenar flyer. To compile a list of useful and insightful questions that can be asked from an image, I use the following prompt. Prompt. As an information extraction expert, please tell me all possible questions that I can ask to an image using ChatGPT 4.0. Now I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 4. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4o will process the input and generate a response. Example: chat with an image. File name: image. Avanar flyer JPG. Prompt: as a question answering expert, please answer the following questions from the image. General description: what is this image about? Can you summarize the content of this image? What objects are visible in the image? What is the main theme or subject of this image? Is this image a photograph, illustration, or something else? Object detection: what objects are present in the image? What brands or logos are visible in the image? Scene understanding: is this an indoor or outdoor setting? Visual details: what colors dominate this image? Text recognition, OCR: can you extract all the text from this image? Emotion and sentiment: what emotions are the people in the image expressing? Specific domain-based queries: what is the main heading or title in this image? Image metadata and context: can you infer when this image was created? Artistic analysis: what art style or movement does this image belong to? Anomaly or change detection: are there any unusual or out-of-place elements in this image? Geographical and navigation queries: can you identify any landmarks in the image? Practical use cases: e-commerce: what products are visible in this image? Social media: is this image appropriate for professional use? Accessibility: can you describe this image for visually impaired users? Hypothetical and creative queries: if this image were part of a story, what would it depict? Statistical or analytical queries: what is the ratio of people to objects in the image? Safety and compliance: are there any safety hazards visible in this image? Now, I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4o model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4o model. Before running our prompt on ChatGPT 4o to extract answers from an image file, let me provide a brief overview of the image file image, Avanar flyer, JPG that will be used in this demonstration. The image file, image, Avanar flyer, JPG, is a promotional flyer for the world's first online free Avanar titled Governing AI, The Unpredictable Challenge, Part 2. It features Dr. Ram Muhammad Adil as the instructor, scheduled for May 24th, 2025, Saturday, from 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The flyer includes the logo and branding of Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Pakistan, and a call to action to register for free. I will now execute the prompt to extract the relevant answers from the image. Step 1. Upload the image file. In the prompt input area, locate the plus icon. Click it and select Add Photo and File. Browse your computer and select Image, Avanar Flyer, JPG file. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Step 2. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4o will process the input and generate a response. I ran this prompt on May 31st, 2025, using the ChatGPT 4o model, and it generated the following response. General description. Question: what is this image about? A. The image is a promotional flyer advertising a free online event called World's First Online Free Avanar, focused on governing AI, The Unpredictable Challenge, Part 2. It provides details about the instructor, date, time, and registration. Question: can you summarize the content of this image? A. This image is an announcement for a free online AI webinar, Avanar, taught by Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil, scheduled for May 24th, 2025, from 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Hosted by the Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute. It invites viewers to register for free. Question: what objects are visible in the image? A. The image includes text, a photograph of Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil, institute logos, and graphical icons representing calendar and clock. Question: what is the main theme or subject of this image? A. The main theme is an educational online event/webinar about AI governance. Question: is this image a photograph, illustration, or something else? A. It is a digitally designed promotional flyer combining a photograph with graphic design elements. Object detection. Question: what objects are present in the image? A. A person, instructor, text blocks, calendar icon, clock icon, logos, and buttons. Question: what brands or logos are visible in the image? A. The logo of the Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute is visible at the top right corner and also in Urdu text at the bottom purple banner. Scene understanding. Question: is this an indoor or outdoor setting? A. The person is pictured against a digitally added plain blue background, so no specific indoor or outdoor setting is depicted. Visual details. Question: what colors dominate this image? A. Blue and white are the dominant colors, with purple used for the registration button and the bottom banner. Text recognition, OCR. Question: can you extract all the text from this image? A. Yes. The text reads, World's first online free Avanar governing AI, The Unpredictable Challenge, Part 2, Instructor Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Alpreneur AI Influencer, May 24th, 2025, Saturday. 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. PST. Register now for free Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute in English and Urdu. Emotion and sentiment. Question: what emotions are the people in the image expressing? A. The instructor appears calm, confident, and welcoming, with a slight smile suggesting friendliness. Specific domain-based queries. Question: what is the main heading or title in this image? A. World's first online free Avanar image metadata and context. Question: can you infer when this image was created? A. The event date is May 24th, 2025, so the image was likely created shortly before that date, presumably in 2025. Artistic analysis. Question: what art style or movement does this image belong to? A. This is a modern digital flyer design with clean typography and minimalistic flat design elements. Anomaly or change detection. Question: are there any unusual or out-of-place elements in this image? A. The word Avanar appears to be a typo and likely intended to be webinar. Question: can you identify any landmarks in the image? A. No landmarks are visible. The Institute's logo suggests affiliation with an Islamic educational institution. Practical use cases. E-commerce. Question: what products are visible in this image? A. No physical products are shown, only an educational event. Social media. Question: is this image appropriate for professional use? A. Yes, this image is suitable for professional promotion of an educational webinar. Accessibility. Question: can you describe this image for visually impaired users? A. The image is a promotional flyer announcing a free online AI governance webinar with Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil, scheduled for May 24th, 2025, 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, hosted by Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute. It features his portrait and invites viewers to register for free. Hypothetical and creative queries. Question: if this image were part of a story, what would it depict? A. It would depict the launch of a pioneering educational initiative to teach AI governance to a global audience via a free online seminar. Statistical or analytical queries. Question: what is the ratio of people to objects in the image? A. There is one person and multiple objects, text blocks, icons, logos, buttons, so roughly 1 to 5 ratio. Safety and compliance. Question: are there any safety hazards visible in this image? A. No safety hazards are present in this digital flyer. If you want, I can also help you draft text, improve the flyer, or create related content. Key takeaway. This example showcases ChatGPT for OS multimodal intelligence, its ability to understand visual structure, textual content, sentiment, design purpose, and domain-specific context all in one go. Analysis. Chat with an image. ChatGPT 4.0 successfully answered a diverse set of questions based on the image, showcasing the power of generative AI to see, understand, and respond accurately to complex visual content. Let's proceed to the to-do and your turn tasks to reinforce the concepts discussed in this part of the Avecture. To-do tasks. Task 1. Now it's time to take your image analysis skills to the next level. Task. Using the generative AI flyer image from this Avecture, ask at least 10 new and creative questions. But here's the challenge. Your questions must be different from the ones already discussed in the Avecture. Think critically. Explore the flyer from new perspectives, like marketing impact, visual balance, audience appeal, typography choices, or even branding effectiveness. Your turn tasks. Task 1. Now it's your chance to apply what you've learned. Task. Select at least 2 different images. They can be posters, flyers, product ads, or infographics. Using the techniques demonstrated in this Avecture, ask a variety of insightful questions for each image. Explore areas like visual content, text extraction, emotions, branding, accessibility, creative interpretation. This activity will sharpen your ability to engage with multimodal content using generative AI, helping you extract rich insights and build smarter AI interactions. Get creative, ask smart, and see what stories your images can tell. Avecture summary. Avecture summary. Let's quickly recap what we covered in today's insightful session. We explored how generative AI can perform question answering, QA, across a wide range of data types. Unstructured text data. Extracting answers from raw text with no fixed format. Semi-structured data. Interpreting data with partial organization like HTML or JSON. Structured data. Deriving precise insights from organized tables and spreadsheets. Unstructured image data. Understanding and responding to visual content through multimodal AI. This Avecture highlighted how generative AI can adapt its intelligence to different formats, making it a truly versatile tool for information extraction and smart decision-making. In next Avecture. In the upcoming session, we'll dive into evaluation. How do we measure the quality and effectiveness of a prompt? Ethics. What responsibilities come with using generative AI tools wisely and fairly? Future of prompt engineering. Where is this field headed, and how can you stay ahead? Join me as we explore the impact, integrity, and innovation shaping the future of prompt engineering. 3 humble requests. We have 3 humble requests. Number 1. Spread the light of knowledge. The core mission of Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Pakistan, is to seek the pleasure of Allah alone. That's why all courses and Avinars are 100% free. In return, we humbly ask you to teach at least one other person what you've learned here, and kindly encourage them to do the same. This way, the light of knowledge continues to spread without end, insha'Allah. Number 2. Pray for the founder and his parents. Please remember the founder of this institute and his late parents in your sincere prayers. Your du'as are a powerful gift that carries immense reward. Number 3. Stay connected and support our mission. We warmly invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page to stay updated with upcoming Avectures and free courses. Have questions or wish to contribute as a volunteer to this noble cause? We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out via WhatsApp or email. Our team is always here to assist you with warmth and sincerity. Before we close, I'd like to acknowledge the key sources I drew knowledge from, including ChatGPT 4.0 and Gemini 1.5 Flash. Jazak Allah khair to each and every one of you for attending this Avecture with open hearts and minds. May Allah reward your time, curiosity, and commitment to learning. Now, I'd be happy to take your questions, comments, or reflections. Whether you're curious about a specific point we discussed, want to explore a topic further, or just wish to share your thoughts, this is your moment.